Solving Ring Doorbell Wi-Fi connection issues.
Hello and welcome to this tutorial. Today, we're going to address a common issue many Ring Doorbell users face. What steps can I take if my Ring Doorbell cannot connect to Wi-Fi during setup? Don't worry, we'll walk through this step by step and get your device up and running.
Is your Wi-Fi network working properly?
First things first, you need to make sure your Wi-Fi network is working as expected. Check other devices and see if they're having any connection issues. If they are, reset your router by unplugging it, waiting a few minutes, and then plugging it back in. Once the network is back up, try connecting your Ring Doorbell again.
Are you using the correct Wi-Fi password?
A common mistake is typing in the incorrect Wi-Fi password. Make sure you're entering it correctly. Check the capitalization, numbers, and special characters. If you've recently changed your Wi-Fi password, make sure you're using the updated one.
Is your Ring Doorbell in range of your Wi-Fi signal?
Ensure your Ring Doorbell is in range of your Wi-Fi signal. Thick walls and large distances can interfere with the signal. Consider moving your router or using a Wi-Fi extender if your doorbell is too far from the router.
Are you using the correct setup process?
The Ring Doorbell has a specific setup process. Follow the Ring app instructions carefully and make sure your device is in setup mode. It should be blinking. If you've already tried this, consider resetting your Ring device to its factory settings and trying again.
Is your device's firmware updated?
Lastly, make sure your Ring device's firmware is updated. The device usually updates itself automatically, but sometimes manual updates are needed. You can check for updates and how to manually update the device on the Ring app. We hope this step-by-step guide helps you to connect your Ring Doorbell to your Wi-Fi network successfully. Remember, these steps can be used for troubleshooting connection issues even after the initial setup. Stay connected and stay safe.